Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Nur Ain binti Muhammad Yusuf and my matric number is 245198. I'm an undergraduate student from UUM. Would like to demo my final year project. My system name is Automated Counting System based on chronic image. But first, let me introduce a little bit about background of this project. First, what is leukemia? Leukemia is a disease that affects blood-forming cells in the body, or known as bone marrow malfunction. In our bone marrow, we have red blood cells, white blood cells, and also platelets. Leukemia happens when our white blood cells become abnormal white blood cells. There are two types of leukemia. First is acute leukemia. Next is chronic leukemia. For this system, we focus on chronic leukemia. Chronic leukemia is a slow-growing cancer. There are two types, which is chronic lymphocytic leukemia and also chronic myeloid leukemia. This is a problem why we developed this project. First is many people die. Since chronic leukemia grows slower than acute leukemia and it's become more serious problem. The symptoms may show late because of the growing rates of the cells is lower than acute leukemia. Next is human error rate between 30% to 40%. For the manual counting, the hematologists and also lab technologists will use microscope to count the number of cells. When they are using manual counting, they tend to get error rate when they need to process more numbers of blood cells. They feel tired, and after that, and it's where the error happens. When they feel tired, counting over and over the number of cells, the tendency to get error is high. Next is current technologies is expensive. For leukemia detection, we already have automated hematology analyzer. This machine is quite expensive for the world third country like Malaysia. It's hard for this machine to have in all hospital in Malaysia. Next, the methodology, the method that we use in this project. First, image acquisition. All the images that we use in this project are from Hospital University Science Malaysia, HUSM Kubang Krian Kelantan. After that, all of the image that we acquired has been verified by the Professor Dr. Roslyn Hassan, the hematology, the expert in HUSM Kubang Krian. After that, we use image processing method. In the image processing method, we use image segmentation by using color spatial technique and median filter to filter the noise, and lastly we use morphological process, which is dilation and erosion. After finish image processing method, the system will count the number of cells, and then it will display the resultant image. This is the overview of the system. We have login page, operational page, upload image, operational and count, save image, and then log out. Let me show you how the system works. First, user need to input their ID and also password. And click login. After that, this is the operational page. First, user need to upload image. This is all of the images that we acquired from HUSM Kubang Krian. We have CLL image, which is chronic leukocyte leukemia image, and also CML, which is chronic myeloid leukemia image. First, we choose image 1, CLL1. And then the system will display image successfully uploaded. Next is click on the process image button to process the image. This is where the image segmentation technique that we choose, which is color threshold technique, being used, and also the median filter and morphological process. After that, click on the count button to count the number of cells, and it will display the number of cells in this. After that, after we have counted the number of cells, we can also save the resultant image. Choose any folder, click rename the image, and after that it will display image successfully saved. To continue using the system, user need to reset to re-upload a new image. And after user have finished the session, they need to log out from the system. User can click log out and click confirm, and the system will finish the session. So this is the result of the counting. First, we have a system counting. The system counting is counted by the expert, the hematologist. For the system counting is count from the system, and for the manual counting is count from the expert. This is where we compare the result and get the percentage from the CML1 until CLL11. Aim of this project is to reach within 90% of the percentage of the accuracy. So, I think that's all from me, and thank you.